Hi guys, today we're back again. Sigumgano, London FM. This time around, Sinoses Khensani. Kunjani?
Njani?
Namina nifukile. Ni Khensa shinene.
Yes, naina Khensa shinene.
Get ready.
Listen, a few questions for you that I hope you can answer for us.
I hope so too.
What is the biggest radio station in Limpopo?
The biggest?
Yeah.
Tobel FM.
If you call a person who sells flowers a florist, what do you call a person who sells fish?
A person who sells fish.
Yeah? Jesus. This is shocking.
Who was the first person to walk on the moon?
Armstrong.
What vitamin do we get from the sun?
D.
What language do blind people speak?
Any language. Their mother tongue, English, whatever language they learn.
Which radio station did you grow up listening to?
Mungalone FM, I think, because it always played in the house, I think.
And can you give me 3 of your all-time favorite presenters, Bumgan?
Le. And Konaiza, obviously. There was Rosanna as well. There was Roy. Roy was great on Saturdays and Sundays.
We are cruising nicely.
Who's the captain of the Springboks?
Kambe mamfana luya wakanga kambe msisi.
Ah, la la.
I forgot his name.
His surname?
And his surname.
Wow. Back to Limpopo.
And what time is 9 hours before midnight?
9 hours before midnight? 3 p.m.?
Yes.
And what is 99,000 plus 1?
99,000.
Plus 1.
99,001.
Easy.
If you call 12 months a year, 10 years a decade, what do you call 25 years?
Half a century.
You get out of here right now. What?
What animal dies after eating chocolate?
Animal that dies after eating chocolate. Yawena.
Nothing happy, man.
What would it be? A dog?
I do not know this. You guys are so generous. This is how.
What is the opposite of the word up?
Down.
Left?
Right.
Sorry?
Yeah, I'm not sorry.
Can you repeat after me?
Is this a trick question?
Of course.
Yeah.
Blue?
Blue.
Red?
Red.
Yellow?
Yellow.
Orange?
Orange.
Blue?
Blue.
Red?
Red.
Yellow?
Yellow.
Orange?
Orange.
What color is the grass?
Green. Oh, okay. I see what you did there.
Gotcha.
I want you to listen very carefully.
Yeah.
David works in a butchery. Where does David work?
In a butchery?
He is 1.8 meters tall. How tall is he?
1.8?
He wears size 34 waist. Now, the question is, what does David weigh?
What does he weigh? What does he weigh?
Yes.
What does he weigh? He weighs meat. He weighs meat. He weighs meat.
Give me a bird that can only swim but cannot fly.
A bird can swim but cannot fly. Which bird is that? Ducks fly. What?
Do they? Ducks.
Well, yeah, they sometimes have to move from one place to another when the weather changes. So which one is it? Chicken can chicken swim? I know they can't fly.
They can't fly. Chickens.
Oh, takangweta.
Ophinde.
Oh, takangweta. I'm sorry.
Takaneta means the guys. Okay.
Jesus is Lord.
Umdumo wempilo yakho kuKwekwezi FM kwaphela. Jabula bathanda ukubonga impilo. Kukhanya ba.